Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Instagram confirmation or verification code not receiving problem. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue while your confirmation or verification code which we will receive through the OTP, if you are facing this issue, first of all you need to check whether your SIM network is working properly or not. For that, once you need to enable your flight mode and disable it again and check once again it's working or not, or you can send message from any other number to your mobile number and check whether you are receiving the message or not. If still you are not receiving the message, then you need to tap on the settings, scroll down a little bit, tap on the apps, tap on the see all apps, then search for Instagram, tap on Instagram. Once tap on the force stop, after that you can see here storage and cache, just tap on that. Once tap on the clear cache, then go back and check whether it is fixed or not. Still you are facing the issue, then you need to update your Instagram app. Just tap on the Play Store, then search for Instagram. If your Instagram is not up to date, then update it from here. Guys, after trying all this method, still you are facing the issue, then try to reinstall your Instagram app. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix your Instagram confirmation or verification code not receiving problem. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't